Need to view prices and manage your crypto in a different currency? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch your display currency in the Crypto.com app to match your local currency or preferences. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Changing your display currency makes it easier to track values in familiar terms and helps with financial planning. The process is simple, and I'll guide you through each step. First, open your Crypto.com app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. This will open the main menu where you can access your account settings and preferences. Navigate to Settings in the menu, then look for the Currency or Display Currency option. This is where you can change how prices and values are displayed throughout the app. Select your preferred currency from the extensive list of supported options. Crypto.com supports dozens of fiat currencies including USD, Euro, GBP, CAD, AUD, and many more. Confirm your selection and return to the main dashboard. You'll notice all prices, portfolio values, and transaction amounts now display in your chosen currency. A crucial pro tip: remember that changing your display currency doesn't convert your actual crypto holdings, it only changes how prices are shown. Also, be aware that some features like the Crypto.com Visa card may have fixed currency options depending on your region. And just like that, you're now viewing crypto values in your preferred currency. This simple adjustment makes tracking your portfolio much more intuitive. If this guide helped you customize your display preferences, please give it a like. Which currency do you prefer to use for tracking your crypto portfolio? Share your choice in the comments below. To continue optimizing your payment setup, subscribe for our next video on how to set your default payment method on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.